All right, people. Today, I heard something that is infuriating me. It's making me to feel very, very bad. Asari Dokubo continues to rant over social media. I heard Asari Dokubo said that he is ashamed that Igbo blood runs in his system. Do you get it? That was what he said. That he is ashamed that Igbo blood runs in his own system, while he knows that that Igbo blood that runs in his system is what makes him who he is. Do you get it? But I know he got it wrong. I said it right now. He got it wrong. The problem with Asari Dokubo is not the Igbo blood. Rather, the mixed blood that contaminated the original Igbo blood in him. That is what is making him feel the way he feels. You understand? You said you're a South. What has your South given you? Continue in your pipeline security. Nobody is stopping you. I know everyone knows why you are angry, and there is nothing you can do about it. Asari Dokubo, there is nothing you can do about it, because several times I have heard you, instead of you to chase the rate in the substance, you are chasing chaff, and it's not going to help you. You went to Abuja with machete and whatever to campaign and defend your brother, your very good friend. That is just your anger. Your anger is because Bola Ahmed Tinubu refused to give you an appointment, and people who gave him that advice, they did well, because you are not to be trusted. Do you get it? They don't trust you, and they cannot give. The last thing that will happen is for you to get a position. Even if you get a position, probably it could be cleaning Asari, which I know you are not going to take that. Do you get it? So if you are not proud of your ancestors, their blood runs in you and is making you to be ashamed. It will continue to make you ashamed. Yes, Peter Obi is not owing you. Or whoever you want to mention, probably you mention Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu is not owing you. Pursue your South now. Leave Yoruba, leave Arewa, leave Igbo people. Go and pursue your own South. Since after going to school, you read this, you come out, you talk like you went to school. Good. What is the meaning of South? In geography, have you seen anything they call South? Have you heard it? If not, only in Nigeria. And that South is just a division. Just to put a division between you and your siblings. Still, till today, you people still cannot understand that. That is why you feel ashamed on a regular. I will keep talking. Since you keep insulting Igbo people, I will keep talking to you. Maybe I can correct your brain. Maybe your brain can start to work again. You said you are sick. You said you are on a wheelchair. Stay on your wheelchair. Why are you on a wheelchair and you are talking to people who are bigger than you? When you talk bad against Igbo man, you are talking bad to your ancestor. You are insulting your ancestors, and they will continue to haunt you badly. Seriously, it is not a cause, it's a reality, and you are seeing it in your very before. So I believe, and I should advise you to be objective in your disposition, the way you talk. You get it? There are people who are ready to challenge you. Someone like me, if you come up and talk, I'm going to respond to you, because that blood running in you, you are not making good use of it. The contaminated blood you got from somewhere is what is disturbing you, and you should not train your children with such attributes. Don't train them with such advice. Don't give your children such advice. Don't contaminate them as well. You understand? Let that blood running in you. If you don't want to be an Igbo man, and you say you are not the other day you came out, you say you are a Diabani, you are an Igbo man. Now you are coming out, you are saying that the blood running in you. Don't you know is that blood that even came into your system is what is helping you? Do you see your fellow, your friends from that your South, How many of them are like you? How many of them are like you? Only that you are not using what you have. You want to be a pipeline security. That is what you have. Go to an NPC. All the directors are from Fulani. If they are not Fulani, probably they are Yorubas. And the only thing you are doing is to guide the pipeline. And you are coming to talk about Igbo man. Keep talking about Igbo man. Go and correct the blood. Do that. Remove the Igbo blood and use your Sasat blood. Let us see. But that position you are waiting from Tinubu, you are not going to get it. And that is the anger. You continue to get it. My people, this guy they call Asari Dokubo, he keep insulting the Igbos. And he's nothing, he's nobody. He's just a security man. He's just probably a bouncer. I can call you a bouncer in a pipeline, whatever. If you don't know, keep your mouth shut. Carry gun and go Abuja. Shebi, you went to Abuja last time. Why haven't you gone to Abuja again to go and show yourself? You are coming to rant. You are ashamed of you. You should be ashamed of yourself.